Affirm has partnered with FIS to bring BNPL capabilities to debit card issuers. The collaboration allows FIS's bank clients to offer pay-over-time options through their digital banking platforms. Debit card holders can access bi-weekly and monthly payment plans, as well as merchant-funded financing offers from Affirm's network. Jim Johnson of FIS says the partnership delivers innovative technology to banking clients. Wayne Pauman of Affirm highlights the convenience of accessing credit options through trusted debit cards. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.